Well, I thought I'd get out for a few days, and it is May 28th. I only left the marina around 3 o'clock, so I didn't want to go too far, so I came over to North Cove. That's at the top end of Thetis Island, and it's blowing a little southeast and southwest, so this is a good spot to offer some protection from that. It was only just a little under 8 nautical miles, I think, to get here, but I managed to sail nearly the entire distance. I'll check what the weather's going to be like. I think tomorrow's going to be a little bit of a mix. And then I think Thursday and Friday are going to be a little better for sunshine. And it's after 6 o'clock now. I got here about an hour and a half ago. So I will make some dinner, and then we'll see what we get up to over the next couple of days. Well, good morning from North Cove. It was a nice calm night and a super calm morning. No other boats were here last night, so had the whole anchorage to myself, which was nice. I just checked the weather, and it's supposed to blow a little bit northwest, so later today. So I'm not going to stay here because this is quite open to the northwest. Or to the north. And yeah, I haven't actually decided where I'm going to go yet, so I'll just check the charts and see where I end up today. Well, I left North Cove about an hour ago and set all the sails up right away. So I've been sailing ever since. And yeah, it was blue skies and some clouds, but going through a little bit of a squall right now. Coming down pretty good. But I'm still sailing, and the wind is mostly behind me. So I'll see how far I can go. I think I'm going to head down towards Salt Spring Island, especially if I keep this wind. Although I'm only doing 2.6 knots right now. Earlier I was doing 4.5. Usually I'm about 3.5 knots. It's not that strong of a wind. But yeah, I'll see if this rain lets up and see if I can keep some wind. Well, I made it to Long Harbor, and I had a good sail, and I made it all the way down to just around the top end of Wallis Island, and then it was just flat calm, so I finally rolled up the head sails and eventually took down the main and the mizzen. But yeah, it was a good day. Got here about 4:15 p.m. and I can't believe it, almost, oh geez, I think 25 years now of sailing on this coast. I've never come into Long Harbor. I'm in 22 feet of water when I dropped the anchor, and I'm just past the BC ferry dock. So there is a BC ferry that comes in here. It's on the south side of the harbor, and it's quite a large ferry. It was coming out when I was coming in. There's lots of room here. You could fit, oh geez, a few more boats anyways. There's two at anchor. Well, one's on a mooring and one's anchored. But you could fit a few more boats in here easily. And it poured rain as soon as I got here, so I anchored the boat in the rain. And now the sun's out. So it's been a squally day on this trip so far. Well, I think I lost track of how many times it rained today. And it seemed about every hour the sun would come out, then the rain would start. Then the sun would come out again, and the rain would start again. But it was nice to end the day with no rain and a nice sunset. Well, good morning from Long Harbor. It's a couple days later, and just after 8 a.m. Just out for my morning row. Super calm and peaceful in here, and the tide is low. So I'll head back and get some breakfast and start getting ready to go.